In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Airtable data efficiently and securely. If you're using Airtable for managing your projects, keeping a backup of your data is crucial. A CSV backup is a simple yet effective method to ensure your data can always be accessed, even if something goes wrong. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Airtable base. This is the fundamental workspace where all your tables and data reside. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, navigate to the specific base from which you want to back up data. It's worth spending a moment to verify that you're in the correct base to avoid handling data from a different project or topic accidentally. After you've accessed your base, the next step is to open the particular table that you want to back up. This means clicking on the name of the table, which should bring you to a familiar view of your data. Here, you'll see all your records laid out in rows and columns. It's this data that we're going to export and store safely. Now look towards the top of your screen for something labeled View Options. You'll want to click on that. Depending on your display settings or updates made by Airtable, this might look slightly different, but it should be clearly labeled or represented by an icon suggesting settings or options. Once you've clicked View Options, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the Download CSV option. You'll want to select this, and almost instantaneously, a CSV file will download directly to your computer. This file contains all the crucial aspects of your table, such as records, fields, text data, dates, and numbers. CSV format is preferred because it securely holds your data in a simple and widely compatible format. However, it's important to note what the CSV backup does not include. While it's perfect for capturing the essential data, it doesn't fully preserve advanced configurations like automations, interfaces, forms, attachments, and perfect linked relationships. So, while it's great for the raw data, you may want to consider additional backup strategies for these components, if they're critical to your workflow. Now, to ensure you have a complete backup of your entire base, you'll need to repeat this process for each table within the base. Just revisit each table, follow the same steps, and download each as a CSV file. It might seem a bit repetitive, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind and data security. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully backed up your Airtable data. Regular backups like this are a great way to mitigate data loss risks and keep your project safe. Thank you for following along, and be sure to make this backup process a regular part of your data management routine.